In today's video, I'm going to teach you if you forgot your password on Revolut, don't worry, here's how to recover it. Think of this as a quick reset walkthrough. Revolut calls it a passcode inside the app, but it works just like a password for getting back in. Start by opening the Revolut app on your device. On the login screen, look for the option that says Forgot Passcode and tap it. If you don't see it right away, give the screen a second to load and make sure you have a stable internet connection and the latest version of the app installed. That helps avoid most hiccups right from the start. Next, you'll be asked to enter the phone number or email address that's registered to your account. Type in the one you originally used with Revolut. This is important because the app will use it to confirm you're the rightful owner. Then simply follow the on-screen prompts. They'll guide you step by step. At this stage, Revolut may ask you to verify your identity. This can include entering a one-time code sent to your device via SMS or email, or completing a quick selfie verification. If you get a code, keep the app open, check your text or inbox right away, and don't share the code with anyone. If it doesn't arrive, make sure your device can receive SMS and emails, your inbox isn't full, and check your spam or junk folder. If you're prompted for a selfie, find good lighting, center your face, and follow the camera instructions. This helps Revolut match you to the account securely. Once you're verified, you'll be prompted to create a new passcode. Choose something memorable to you but hard for others to guess. Avoid obvious patterns like repeating digits or personal dates. Confirm the new passcode and you'll regain access to your account immediately. If the app seems stuck, crashes, or won't load, try reinstalling it or clearing the app cache from your phone settings. Clearing the cache just removes temporary files and can fix glitches. After reinstalling or clearing the cache, open the app again and repeat the recovery steps. Just remember, you'll need access to your registered phone number or email to complete verification. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Revolut account password. Keep your new passcode private and consider updating it periodically to stay secure. Thanks for watching and take care.